All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 5 on CR 16. 1/4 of the students in a class arrive at school before 8 a.m. 3/8 of the same class arrive between 8 and 8:15. What fraction of the class arrives by 8:15? Okay, so before 8, and then here is between 8 and 8:15. And if we take the amount of kids who arrive before 8, and we add that to the amount of kids who arrive between 8 and 8:15, then we'll have all students who have arrived by 8:15. Right? If you take the amount of kids who arrived before 8, add on to that the amount of kids who arrived between 8 and 8:15, put those together, you'll come up with all the students who are there by 8:15. So it says 1/4 of the class arrived before 8 a.m. 3/8 of the same class arrived between 8 and 8:15. 3/8. Then it says what fraction of the class had arrived by 8:15. We'll just add those together. To add fractions, we must have a common denominator. Common denominator. So that's my first step here, is to find a common denominator. So I look at my denominators, 4 and 8. Is there a number that 4 and 8 are both factors of? Oh yes, 8. So if I take 4 times 2, I can rewrite that as a denominator with 8. Well, if I'm going to multiply the denominator by 2, I must also multiply that numerator by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So 1/4 is the exact same number as 2/8. If you have a pizza and you ate 1/4 of it, if it was cut into 4 pieces and you ate 1 of those 4 pieces, if the same pizza was cut into 8 pieces and you ate 2 of them, you've eaten the same amount of pizza. So then we have 2/8 plus 3/8. 2/8 plus 3/8. You keep that denominator of 8. You ate 2 out of those 8 pieces of pizza. You came back, you ate 3 more of those 8 pieces. You've now eaten 5 of those 8 pieces of pizza. So 5/8 of the class had arrived by 8:15. Only 3/8 of the kids are still out there waiting to come in to school, because 8/8 would get you to a total class. All right, 5/8 was there by 8:15. Hope that helped.